FLD Memorandum 0016 memo state that all facilities providing TB services shall report their monthly stock through Integrated Tuberculosis Information System every 10th of the following month. First step in encoding the FLD is to click the Inventory module. Second step is to click the green button at the right. A form will open. All you have to do is fill the required fields. In your account, you will only select the year and month. After that, click Generate button. A table below will show a list of medicines. To select, you have to click the box on left beside the item. Since it's a box, we can select multiple items. In this column starting balance, we have to count the medicine by tablet, not the box. I will show you an example. For example, I will select the intensive and continuation medicines for DSTB. This is just an example, assuming we have a remaining stock for 5 patients, which is equivalent to 840 tablets for intensive phase. I will put 840 in the starting balance. Assuming we have 50 from donations, 50 from LGU, 100 from DOH, and 0 transfers, 0 damages. So it goes like this. The consumption column, assuming we have consumed 5 boxes for 5 patients, 1 box is equivalent to 168, so multiplied to 5 will be 840 tabs. We can see that the stocks on hand is auto-calculated. Now for the required field, example, we have new 5 patients added, so we will compute again the tabs per box. So 5 multiplied to 168 is 840 tablets. Now for the continuation phase regimen. Assuming we have 0 stocks, everything in the column will be 0. We will just pair the stock required to the intensive. So 5 multiplied to 336 of 4 boxes for continuation will be 1680 tablets. Once done, we just scroll down and click the green button. But for this month, reporting is locked, so it has a red side. If not, green button ad is shown. To make sure we successfully submit the report, we just click Search the STB drug. Select the year and the month and click Search. The final report is submitted if the regimen is shown in this table. We can assign dates if there is items that is to be expiring by clicking this Add button. Just input the amount and the date of expiration, then click Add expiration date. Once done, we can search and look again if the item to be expired is added. Just click this folder icon to view. The expired item is successfully added. We can also edit or delete this item only if the reporting period is not locked. But in this cases, there is no option to delete. But anyway, we will only report FLD if the reporting is open. That's it. Thank you and see you on the next tutorial.